to do a food review at Bojangles in Lake Wylie today. Me and my buddy Christian is going fishing, and we decided to stop off over here and eat right quick before we go to the boat landing. So let's see what Bojangles is like today. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we just sit down. I got a 2-piece thigh with dirty rice. The boy over here got a 2-piece or 3-piece, which he's already currently devouring, with mashed potatoes and gravy and biscuit and mac and cheese. So let's see what this is like. Hang tight. All right, we just got through eating our chicken at Bojangles on Highway 49 in Lake Wylie, and I'd have to say it's a pretty pleasant experience overall. The restaurant's clean. It's cool in here. It feels good. The people were very pleasant at the front counter, and my chicken was good and hot. Dirty rice was good. I'm imagining Christian's was pretty good. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I might have to give him a 10. I mean, you know, Bojangles, it's hit and miss sometimes, but I'm gonna have to give them a 10. They did pretty good. So if you're ever up this way in Lake Wylie, South Carolina, stop by the Bojangles on Highway 49. I don't think you'll be dissatisfied. Until next time, thank you, and we'll see you later.